So a little bit more with Venn diagrams. Recall that Venn diagram is a way to visually represent sets. Basic Venn diagrams illustrate the interaction between 2 or 3 sets. Venn diagrams do exist for more than 3 sets, but they can be very messy. So for my examples, I'm going to keep it fairly simple. You will have something a little bit more complex on your worksheets and in my open math. So be prepared for that, and I'll be more than happy to help you if you get stuck. So one of the first things that I suggest students do is to number the regions. For example, region 1, that would be elements that were in set A only. Region 2 would be elements that were in both sets A and B. Region 3 would be elements that were in set B only. And then region 4 would be elements that were in neither A or B. Okay, so we are asked to shade the region represented by the complement of the difference of A and B. Well, first let's consider what the difference of A and B would be. So I believe that would be just region 1. If you recall that the difference would be all of set A, but we're removing anything that had to do with set B, and that would be region 2. So region 1 is all that's left, but recall that we wanted the complement. And that means that we're going to end up shading everything else but region 1. So we'll be shading regions 2, 3, and 4. So let's highlight those regions right now. Okay, so with the next one, it's a similar concept. We're looking for the complement of the difference of B and A. Again, let's start by numbering the regions. So remember, the difference of B and A is set B with the removal of anything that had to do with set A. So that would be represented by region 3, but we want the complement of that. So that means we'll be shading regions 1, 2, and 4.